Every smartphone you use begins its life inside a highly secured factory.
Even a single dust particle can destroy a microchip.
Rework U7, pin 4. The fillet is insufficient.
Copy that. Reworking now.
This is the brain of the phone.
Battery safety is a matter of life. Hardware becomes smart through software.
Functional testing. Every phone is tested. Touch screen, buttons, camera, speaker and mic, sensors, network signals.
Only strong phones survive. From one factory to the entire world.
Every phone has a second life and use if handled responsibly.
A smartphone contains more valuable metals than most people realize.
Factories reduce waste by using recycled metals, saving water, using renewable energy, and reducing plastic packaging.
Our sustainable future starts now, featuring modular designs for easy repair and long-lasting batteries.
A smartphone, it is more than technology.